The TD2000 was produced by TD Cars M. Sriram Berhad. It was assembled by Automotive Conversion Engineering Sriram Berhad, also known as ACE, in 1986. The TD2000 is a retro classic sports car which was assembled in Malaysia and exported to many countries overseas. This retro classic car idea was inspired by a 1950 British sports car called the MG TD. TD2000 has two models, which is the Silverstone, which comes with a 5-speed manual transmission, and Gatsby, which comes with a 4-speed automatic transmission. The standard feature that came with a TD2000 include walnut burr dashboard, spoke rims, Moha soft top, and integrated rollover bars. Other option items include leather trims, air conditioning, stainless steel luggage rack, roll bar, and wooden Motolita steering wheel. This beautiful looking retro classic roadster can get quite a number of head turns as it cruises along the way. TD2000 has a fiberglass bodywork which incorporates side intrusion bar and is protected by stainless steel bumpers. It has a 2-liter Toyota 3S FE engine and produces 130 horsepower. It also comes with a rear-wheel drive roadster which helps provide a better performance than its competitor. It weighs less than 1 ton. The TD2000 wheelbase is 2,420mm, length 3,744mm. Its full tank capacity is 61 liters. The TD2000 has a 4-cylinder inline-mounted double overhead camshaft with 4 valves per cylinder. It runs on electronic fuel injection. It comes with a front brake dual circuit pass with 10-inch diameter ventilated disc, while its rear brakes is a dual circuit hydraulic system with 10-inch diameter disc. All its disc brake comes with a servo assistance. It also has a 3-way catalytic converter.